Hi, I'm Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you on how to use Carepatron's tooth chart. What is a tooth chart? A tooth chart is a drawing or illustration one uses to better identify the individual teeth in one's mouth. One can expect an image of teeth and each tooth's corresponding number and name on the tooth chart. Labeling them as such makes it easier for the one inspecting the patient's teeth to write down information about a particular tooth. Though tooth charts are helpful to dental or dentistry students, they can also be especially helpful to dentists. It can be useful when one needs to review or when a patient requires a visual aid to understand more about the condition of their teeth. If you think this resource is helpful in your practice and currently don't have one, we have prepared a tooth chart with an illustration of teeth and corresponding labels that is free to use on our website. Aside from that, we also included a dedicated space for any notes you may have for yourself or your patient. To use our free tooth charts, follow these steps. Download our tooth charts from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. As soon as you have a copy of this template, you can use the resource in any way you deem necessary. If you find writing notes or observations on a patient's teeth helpful, you may write them down in the provided space at the bottom. Here is a sample of our tooth chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our tooth chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.